Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Now this was sent to me in PR, so these are some of the brands, some of the products that you will be seeing in your June 2021 Glam Bag. So if you are new to Ipsy, we will get into the prices, my thoughts, how to potentially work around the app error, all of that. So before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. And y'all, I fell into the TikTok rabbit hole, and have y'all seen the one where you take that like continuous spray mist bottle and then a thing of like sunless tanner? I did it. I did it. And I love it. Oh my gosh, my husband thought I was totally crazy. If you're new here, I'm also a Gemini with ADHD, and I sidetrack left, right, and all around. But I bring it back eventually, so I'll eventually get to the unboxing. But anyways, I asked my husband, I was like, babe, I just need you to do my back. Ended up, I suckered him into doing everything. And one, it was hilarious because he's a Virgo, so y'all know how Virgos are very perfectionists. So I was like, just, and I'm a Gemini, so I'm like, just spray it, it'll be fine. No, I was like, it's like spray paint, just spray. Anyhow, long story long. Whoever came up with this little concoction, invention, what have you, genius, thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing of our Ipsy PR for the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for June 2021. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and sidetrack one more time because I'm just feeling rather chatty today. First video of the day. If y'all follow me over on Instagram, you already know my love of this. Flawless. Literally flawless. I do feel like this primer has something to do with it. This is the e.l.f. Puff Puff Primer, hemp derived cannabis sativa. This stuff like hydrates and plumps in my skin. Like, I have pores, but I don't really notice my pores. It's like this beautiful airbrush look. So for me, normal to dry skin, and it's the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I did kind of mix the tan 425 neutral and the medium 375 neutral together today to match my sunless tan that my husband did, and I love it. Like, okay, we're back to Ipsy. Okay, so if you are new to Ipsy does offer two different monthly subscriptions. One is $12, and you do get to customize one item in here. It is supposed to be profile based. And then the other option that you have is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you actually get to choose 3 out of your 5 items. Now they do have a subscription that is quarterly called Ipsy X. I love that. I've gotten 2 so far. This is new to the Ipsy subscription, and you get a ton of stuff, like well over $300 and some odd worth of goodies over there, and you typically get to customize. Now, I mentioned briefly in the intro having issues with the app, and a lot of y'all have said that you have had that too. One of y'all are a flippin' genius and said, don't use Safari, use Google Chrome. So that's what I did. I got onto my computer, went into Google Chrome, logged into Ipsy that way. Absolutely no issue. I was able so far, knock on wood, to make my choice for my June Glam Bag, and that's the $12 bag. No issue. Now, one thing I did find, you have to make sure you put ipsy.com and like space it, because then that way it definitely goes to Ipsy. For some other reason, if it like ipsy.com, it like, and hit enter, it like makes you, I don't know, but it said, oops, there's an error. And I flipped my, and turns out if I just do ipsy.com space then enter, I'm fine on Google Chrome. So thank you to y'all who have said go in with Chrome, get off your phone, do it on a computer. So that has worked, and I'm pretty sure you can download Google Chrome on your phone as well. Okay, that's all of my ramble fest. Okay, so when we open it up, I always like to show y'all, this is how they send it to us. So it's kind of like a guessing game, which is fine. So there is a card in here, and it just is a little information about, you know, following Ipsy over on Instagram. They're also on TikTok, and Facebook, and that is that. So let's go ahead and start off. Oh my god, this is so cute. So they kind of theme their bags every single month. Now this is the $12 bag, and you typically get about 5 items in here. Again, keep in mind you are getting to customize one of the items, and it is supposed to be profile based. Now when I tell you all profile based, when you sign up for Ipsy, you give them all the deets on you. Normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, whatever it may be, color of your hair, your eyes, your skin tone, your age. I do need to go in and kind of update my age. I'd kind of like tinkered around with it years ago when Haley and I started doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy. Right now I think I have that I'm like 20 something years old, which as we know your girl's gonna be 43 on June 8th. So anywho, this is what the $12 bag looks like. This is so cute. This is such a Rhonda vibe, and I love the fact that it's like a rainbow type of zipper, and then of course we've got our little zipper that says Ipsy on it. Now inside, are there 5 products? Yes, yay, they actually did put the whole bag together. Okay, so the first item in here is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. So this is what it looks like. This is actually really pretty. A liquid lipstick. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that. I feel like this shade would be so beautiful on Haley because she's fairer skin, but that's really, really pretty. Okay, so the next item in here is by Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Repair. This is a strengthening hair scalp mask. So this is a deluxe size sample. Now when it comes to the Ipsy Glam Bag, you will see deluxe size samples, as well as Haley's queen of getting like full size, like 1 or 2 full size products in her glam bag. So you know, you may see that. The next item, well, I actually really like this. This is by Glam Glow. This is a super mud clearing treatment. It is a mask, and if this is the one I'm thinking of, apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on 5 to 20 minutes. Maybe this isn't the one, but there is one that I think it may be like a volcano one or something, or volcanic. You put it on and it'll light your skin up, but man, does it get the blood flowing, and your skin, once you rinse it off, like, and it subsides, it looks so pretty. So I love Glam Glow products, and I do believe I've tried the Super Mud and I like it. The next 2 items is one, Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Eternal Eyeliner, and I love seeing Tarte Cosmetics in here. This I would say is a full-size product, so that's so exciting. I want their lipsticks. I don't know if y'all can see, I've got like a whole bunch of the regular Tarte Cosmetics lipsticks. I want the bougie gloss. I want to start seeing the bougie glosses in the subscription boxes. Y'all know how much I love those. So that is the second to last item, and then the last is by Tarte Cosmetics, the Tarteist Mascara. This is a good mascara. It's kind of got like the prickly. I'm not going to open it because I've got an abundance already open, and I don't want to let this go to waste and dry up. But I really like this because I feel like it's really spiky of a wand, and it really helps to separate your lashes. So that is everything that you could potentially see in your glam bag. Now for your Glam Bag Plus, the $25 a month bag, this is what it looks like. It's more of like a cottony type of fabric, a little bit lined on the inside, but how cute is that? And nice little drawstring, so it's great for travel or what have you. This is so flippin' cute. I just absolutely love this. Okay, so the first item that I see is by Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Eye Lift 360 degrees waterproof primer. I haven't seen Thrive Cosmetics in a subscription box in so long. So is this like for, oh okay, so that it's like to put your eyeshadow on. I mean, it did say primer, Rhonda. But this is a full-size product, and when it comes to your Glam Bag Plus, you do see full-size products, not deluxe size samples. I say that, and then there's this, which I don't know about this one. This is the Professional Setting Super Setter Long-Lasting Makeup Spray, and this is a ½ ounce. So I don't know if this was supposed to be in my other. Just be nice, friends. How cute is that? That's so cute. I feel like this is definitely something that we would see in our glam bag, the $12 bag. This is so cute. Have y'all tried this new setting spray out by Benefit? Okay, so the next item, now this is one that we actually saw in Ipsy X last month. This was a Khloe Kardashian pick, which y'all told me she actually is working with Ipsy, and I had no idea. I thought it was just kind of like a celebrity collaboration with the Ipsy X, and y'all said no, she's actually like working for them or partnered up with them or something. So this is the Rose Radiance Booster. This has a retail value of like $135, and I love 111 skincare. So this, and look how pretty the bottle is. I have one, I think I have one already open, so I'm not going to open this one, but isn't that so pretty? So pretty. So I don't know why I do that. It's pretty, so pretty, like, girl. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I actually saw these on, I think it was Ipsy's website or something. This is the Rainbow Luxe set of SL Miss Glam brushes. These are the cutest flippin' brushes. Look at these. Like, I just love the sparkle, y'all know. Like, if it's got sparkle, if it has glitter, guess what? I am there for it. That is just so, ugh. And then it has like their little diamonds, and this feels, oh my gosh,